Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a creamy and delicious Japanese egg sandwich, also known as Tamago Sando. It's made with fluffy bread and rich egg salad, absolutely irresistible. Let's get started. First, bring a pot of water to a boil and add a little vinegar. Poke a small hole in the rounded end of each egg with a knife or pin. These tricks will make peeling the egg surprisingly easy later. Watch out not to poke your finger. Once the water is boiling, carefully lower the eggs into the pot. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes, starting with them at room temperature. While the eggs are cooking, prepare an ice bath. When the eggs are done, immediately transfer them to the ice water. This will firm them up and make peeling a breeze. After the eggs have cooled, gently tap them all over with a spoon to create cracks in the shell. Now, you can peel the eggs easily. It's so satisfying. Once peeled, separate the yolks from the whites in a bowl. Combine the yolks with a pinch of salt, black pepper, 2 teaspoons of Japanese mayo. You can also add smoked paprika or fresh herbs if you'd like. Mix everything well until it's smooth and creamy. Next, chop up the egg whites into small pieces. Add the chopped whites to the bowl and stir them into the yolk mixture. Taste it at this point to adjust the seasoning to your preference. Take mini brioche buns and slice them in half. Spread a little butter on each side and toast them lightly in a pan. Be careful not to burn them, as they brown quickly. Now, generously scoop the creamy egg salad onto the buns. To finish, sprinkle some chopped parsley on side, and you're done. And there you have it, a creamy and fluffy Tamago Sando. The combination of soft bread and rich egg salad is absolutely perfect. It's so easy to make at home, so be sure to give it a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can find the full recipe details in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.